Exercise 5.5, question number 3. At a water fountain, water attains a maximum height of 4 meter at horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from its origin. If the path of water is a parabola, find the height of water at a horizontal distance of 0.75 meter from the point of origin. Consider the origin 0, 0. A water fountain starts from origin. It reaches the maximum height. The maximum height is 4 meter. When it is at a horizontal distance of 0.5 meter from the origin. So this is 0.5 and this maximum height is 4. So the vertex is 0.5, 4. I want to find height of water at a horizontal distance of 0.75 meter from the point of origin. From the origin at a distance of 0.75 meter, you want to find the height. Okay, CD we want to find. This is 0.75. This height only we want to find out. So the point D is 0.75, y. The parabola is open downward. Vertex is 0.5, 4. When the vertex is other than origin, you know the equation of hyperbola. Take the origin as h, k. Equation of parabola. X minus h the whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Substituting for h and k, get x minus 0.5 the whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus 4. This parabola passes through origin 0, 0. So substituting x and y equal to 0, 0. 0 minus 0.5. So 0.5 the whole square equal to minus 4a, 0 minus 4, minus 4. Squaring 0.25 equal to minus into minus plus 16a, a equal to 0.25 divided by 16. Now substitute the value of a in equation 1. Substituting for a, get x minus 0.5 the whole square equal to minus 4 into 0.25 by 16 into y minus 4. 4 and 16 you can cancel 4 times. So x minus 0.5 the whole square equal to minus 0.25 by 4 into y minus 4. Again we have one more point D. D 0.75, y lies on the parabola. Again substituting for x and y, we get 0.75 minus 0.5 the whole square equal to minus 0.25 by 4 into y minus 4. Subtracting 0.25 the whole square equal to minus 0.25 by 4 into y minus 4. 0.25 cancel with 0.25. So 0.25 equal to minus 1 by 4 into y minus 4. Cross multiplying 0.25 into 4 equal to minus of y minus 4. Multiplying 1. 1 equal to minus of y minus 4. Or y minus 4 equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3. So this is the required height. Therefore the required height CD is equal to 3 meter.